Good morning, friends. Good morning. Welcome to today's view about the global markets, commodity market, and currency markets. This is Prabhu KB, managing partner and CEO of Fibocan LLP. Fibocan is wealth enablers. We are enabling people to create wealth by mentoring, training, coaching, and enabling devising their own strategies. Now let's start looking at each one of the global parameters first, then we can go into Indian markets. To begin with, USD INR. USD INR pair, as I mentioned yesterday, it is more or less stable at the same level at 73.440. 73.440. So I don't see much of either up move or down move in the short term. It is moving in a narrow band. Okay, so the range is between 72 to 75. So not much of concern here. Then dollar index. Dollar index is still at 92.534. On the dollar index front, it is on the short term it is sideways but moving up. In the medium term, it is again going sideways. Long term, it is sideways. However, reversal from the lower bands have happened. Hence, no, it has potential to go up probably sometime down the future. But however, that has to be supported by short term, that is weekly and the daily up move that is happening from now on. Okay, that will take a much longer time, and we will discuss that as and when we reach that stage. Next, US 10-year treasury yield, it is at 1.304. Again, it is sideways. All the time frames it is moving sideways. In the longer time frame, that is the monthly charts, it is just above the middle band. However, it has not broken below the middle band. It is neither going up strongly. Brent at 75.50 and NYMEX at 72.58. As I have been indicating in the recent past, that these two are very, very strong and it is in a strong bullish up move. In fact, the NYMEX crude has crossed the upper band on the daily charts. And looking at the strong performance of these two commodities, as I have been indicating that the recent highs of 77, that it has 77.84 in the case of Brent, it is going to be crossed very soon. In fact, I had told that by the end of this month it will cross that, but we have still another 14-15 trading days, so it is easily going to cross that figures. Now let us look at the global indices. Now let us look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones at 34,814.13. Yesterday it reversed beautifully from the lower band. This was the second reversal that had happened. Normally we say that the first reversal has to be ignored. Second is something which has to be viewed seriously. Since the second reversal has happened from the lower band, we feel that it is a strong reversal that is happening, and hence it has to continue. The momentum should continue. However, still it has to cross 34,933 and close above that for Dow not to fall in the near future and close the month in a good position, not forming any bearish angle for anything. Coming to S&P, it again 4480.70. It is more or less similar trend, excepting that it has to close above 4483.5 by Friday this week. If it closes above that and stays above that, then we can safely say that the trend, upward trend on the monthly chart on the long term is intact and it is going to continue. Nasdaq, as I had indicated, that Nasdaq is one of the strongest of all these indices, and Nasdaq at 15,161.5 formed a bullish bar reversal and also a bullish engulfing and closed above the key exponential moving average and the middle band. So which is very good, and in the middle it is out, it is down but not out. On the longer time frame, it should still move up. I feel that it will close above, if this trend continues, it will close above the previous month's high, which will ensure that the continuity on the up move is intact. So, however, we have to wait for some more time. FTSE, on the other hand, it closes 7016.49. Yesterday, again, it was down. However, since there was one reversal and other thing that happened, I expect some short covering today. Probably it might also go up. Having said that, it has to close above 7077.87, which is the middle band, by the end of this month. Then only it will be in a position we can say that the up move is intact. CBOE VIX index, it's at 18.18. It's again, there is not much of volatility. Now coming to Indian markets, I hear people saying that there is lot of everybody is saying that they are fearing and all those things. I am not seeing any exuberance at all. I am not at all seeing any exuberance either in the daily chart, weekly chart, or on the monthly chart. If that exuberance happens in March 2020, we saw panic selling happening. That is where the beautiful reversal happened from the bottom, and that is intact. It is continuing up and up and up. As long as I don't see exuberance, I would say that Nifty and the various components of Nifty and Bank Nifty are in a continuous up move. Yesterday we said that Bank Nifty it closed at 36,852.20. We said that Bank Nifty is again is strong. Some of the components like Kotak Mahindra Bank, SBA, and IndusInd Bank, it will continue its up move. We had indicated, and it continued its up move because the trend is strong. It is above the upper band. Now SBA is also touching the upper band on the daily chart. So all these things are indicating that is in a strong up move. Again, I indicated that ICICI Bank also is at a key technical point, which is in the middle band, hence it has to go up. HDFC Bank, though it opened gap down, it formed a beautiful reversal candle. Today, if it opens gap up, it is going to continue its up move, and overall the picture in the Bank Nifty is going to be really bullish if this trend continues. And if this is going to continue, we can expect Bank Nifty to touch 161.8% on the Fibonacci retracement. That's somewhere around 10% above the current levels. Now, Nifty, as we know, nearly 36% is constituted by the financials. HDFC is one of the financial bank, Bajaj Finserv and Finance, the Bajaj Fins, and HDFC, along with the banking stocks, are some key components of this 36%. HDFC again formed a beautiful reversal yesterday, similar to HDFC chart. Reliance, though it was down day for yesterday it showed reversal. Infi is also showing reversal with autos. Tata Motors nearing the upper band, and Maruti is also on an uptrend, though it fell yesterday. Autos are in a good move. Then metals are also supporting it, ably supported by the IT stocks and Reliance. I feel that the continuity in the Nifty is going to be there. Nifty yesterday closed at 17519.40, and this continuity is going to be there. And now I feel that it is going to be supported by automobiles, and with PLA scheme being announced, and also by FMCG stocks, the consumer durables like Asian Paints or Titan, which is fully supporting it. The stock should be going up. Nifty should be going up, continuing its up move. Uh, Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do watch my daily views on trends, market conditions, and indicators, and please take advantage of this. Thank you very much.